Hi, in front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access security. Following that, click on screen lock at the top and tap on one of those locking methods. Face unlock, voice unlock, pattern, PIN or password. Then enter your new login method. Hit continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select confirm. Now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!